Hi guys, I hope everyone is cool. I'm just gonna show you you guys how why I called buy shorts earlier on Friday before the end of New York session. I called a buy order on GBP USD, and I have some couple of trades open in that currency pair, so and they are still open right now, so I'm hoping for a good price movement, so that I'm looking at price hitting somewhere around 1.3800. So for educational purposes, I'm going to analyze GBP USD and gold as well, so that whoever is interested can just learn my strategy and apply it to his day-to-day trading activities. At least this strategy has been profitable for me for months now, so yeah, that's it basically. So right here, GBP USD 1 hour. So already from my previous analysis, I have joined these dots, this channel. I have created one channel here. So it's been broken and retested right here, and then went down again, formed some reversal pattern here, and then reversed, actually broke the high of this area, then got to 1.35 then corrected, and then is up again to retest 1.35700 area, and if possible push to 1.3800 area, which is the exact point where I want the price to get to. I want the price to get to. Pay attention to that. I am not saying the price is going to get to that area. Because I want the price to get to that area, I'm going to apply certain risk management strategies, which I'm going to show in probably the next couple of videos. Okay, so right here I'm gonna go ahead to join this channel because I just want to have visibility of what market is trying to do. So because of this, we join this channel. It's so right now the market is beginning to make sense. It's touching this point and touching this point as well. So touching this point tells me that touching this point and forming moving price action, forming this pattern right here, shows me that something is about to go down. So that was why initially I marked this area like this. Let's just mark it for what it was first, and then I'm going to mark the second, because actually in this area I have two reversal patterns formed here, right here. First one is this falling inverted flag. That's what I normally call it. I don't care what they call it out there but I call it falling inverted flag. Okay, so this is the first pattern I got here, and then when this price action right here formed, I then did something that confirmed what the price was trying to do. You can see the first line, the black line, is giving me falling inverted flag, while this do I call it light green line, and this lower bound of my channel is actually giving me a megaphone, that is broadening triangle, or I call it expanding triangle, right? So that was why last week I lost a couple of trades right here, because after I called a short and then a move will happen again and cut me and stop me out. But it's okay. It's better I lose the trade, hit my stop loss, than not attempting at all, because I saw this clearly on the eventually I lost this trade because I reached my daily loss limit, so I couldn't go into this trade. I didn't want to go against my trading principle. Okay, so after this move right here, we anticipated a correction right here in form of a flag. So I initially joined this as a flag, but unfortunately it did not work out the way I planned it, so I lost a couple of trades here, right? Also, so looking at this again, you're going to see that this is another megaphone, but it is still a flag, by the way. So let's join it for what it is. So from here to this point, the breakout point, and then from here onto here, it is almost another megaphone right there. But megaphone means the trend is about to reverse, but this is more like a flag. Yes, it's a megaphone formation, but you can see this is just a pure flag, because this couldn't have been the end of this trend. Okay, why do I know that this couldn't have been the end of this trend? Let's do something right there. Okay, so let's do something, because okay, joining this and taking it back, you know, I had hope that this was going to be the case. This is basically how I choose my trades. So the moment I saw this is another inverted flag right here. So the price, there is 80% chance that this price is going to actually break away. I mean, break away in this direction. Break away in this direction. Okay, so I'm going to give a clear demonstration right here, just a quick demonstration right here. Okay, first of all, I have right here a falling flag, okay, and a falling flag, right? And right here I have a rising flag and a rising flag. Call it rising flag, call it falling flag, depending on what you just feel like calling. I mean, rising flag, rising channel, of standing channel, whatever you want to call it, man, it's allowed. Okay, this is trading, yani. You have to do it the way you want. So let's assume price is coming from here, price is coming, dropping, and then suddenly what you're going to see, and price eventually goes into this pattern. Okay, this automatically tells you that the breakout direction, 80%, there is 80% chance that the price is going to break out in this direction. Okay, if this is your falling flag, falling inverted flag, and price is coming from up, and then it goes into a formation like this, it simply tells you that there is 80% chance that this price is actually going to break out in the in some sort of reversal. Okay, so you can see this is actually what we have here. This is what we have right here. See, this is the pull, the price coming from here, and then the breakout happened, the formation happened here, and this is the breakout, the price coming from here, the formation happened here, and this is the breakout. So there is 80% chance that this is always going to happen when you have this kind of formation. And then on the second note, if the price is coming from up, from this direction, there is possibility that you're going to have this, and then price will break out in this, we continue this. So this is a continuation pattern, and this is a reversal pattern. Okay, likewise here, if price is coming from here, okay, you are going to have something like this, and reversal. So if it's a buy market, okay, and you have this formation, 80% chances are that this price is going to reverse and go back where it is coming from. The same thing happens here. If the price is coming from up to down, and it goes into a ranging market like this, zigzag market, corrective wave like this, there are chances that the price is going to break out in a continuation of the already existing trend. Okay, so this is what I look out for while joining all these lines you are always seeing in my analysis. Okay, so having done this in my 1 hour time frame, so there is something that obviously is missing here. This point, this swing low, and this swing low, I need to join them together, okay, so that I can make sense of this chart. So I have joined them together right here. Okay, joining them and extending the upper bound to this to the other high, to the previous high, okay, that is a lower high or whatever, but it has broken this area, it has broken this level, this formation right here, it has broken it, and then it's just correcting so that it can continue in upwards direction, okay, the upwards movement, okay. So whatever I'm saying right now, like I told you guys, there is 80% chance that it's going to happen the way I say it, or it's going to happen the other way. Okay, that's 10% chances, 20% chances is not worth us losing a trade. So on Friday, I called this short, that's 24th. Friday is actually, let me just quickly open my calendar. Friday is actually, yeah, that's the 24th. So you can see this formation happened on 24th. I called this trade here and I got into the trade irrespective of the weekend swap and stuff like that. So I didn't give a damn about that. So look at the yielding. This is a lot of pips right there. So I got into this trade right here. So you can see it's already 60 something pips, and I'm anticipating price to get to this level at least to give me 121 pips. And I'm not leaving this trade until I see this happen. The only condition that we get me out of this trade is actually to because I'm trailing my stops. I've moved my stop loss from here, this level, to this area right now. So my stop loss is currently at this area, at this level. So if price comes back as low as this, I'm going to allow it to hit my stop loss. It's okay. I will allow that to hit my stop loss. But if price does not come back down as low as this area, then I'm going to leave it until it hits my take profit. My take profit is somewhere around here. Okay, I got in my first trade, my first trade right here. So my take profit is somewhere before 1.3800. I don't want to risk it to go beyond here. Whatever is going to happen here, whatever is going to happen here, I don't care about it. What I care about is whatever is going to happen here. So this was where I got into the trade. I actually got in here. So let's make it, let's call a spade a spade. I got in right here. Okay, so that's it. So this is the reason why I'm currently I did not miss here. Okay, before I even got to draw this line, I already have this in place. So seeing that these 2 points are joined together, extending my channel and taking it to the upper bound of this, to the highest, to the previous high, it gives me the possibility that price is going to move in this manner. Okay, this, and then probably this is 1, 2, and 3. Probably is going to hit here and break out, or it's going to hit here, come down and break downwards. It depends on what it wants to do. Okay, that is it for GBP USD. For gold, no, probably we may not have time to analyze gold. Maybe I will look at gold the next time. Basically I want to start trading gold and GBP USD, of course with Bitcoin as well. Okay, I just want to focus on these three currency pairs, three instruments, to make the most out of it, out of these three instruments. Okay, I'm also in this trade. I got into multiple positions here and got stopped out because I moved my stop loss when I was here, and then I got stopped out somewhere here, which is almost a break even, but it's okay. I got into another trade here. Okay, just one right here, but with at least proper risk management, and I'm still in this one right now. Let's see if it's gonna go and touch this area. Okay, but after I close this trade, I'm just gonna focus on GBP USD, Bitcoin versus USD, and Gold Spot versus USD. These are the pairs I just want to focus on right now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and join my channel, join my telegram channel, join my YouTube channel, and please follow me on Instagram. Everything is displayed on the screen right now. Okay, thank you very much. Do have a lovely evening.